in this footage, two guys tries to break inside the building. They walk away and this happened. Many people speed, often for reasons unrelated to aggressive behavior. Some reasons why drivers speed include traffic congestion, running late, but I don't know what kind of excuse this person will have to the police. This low-life crook is on a mission to take this bike. Now let's check this guy out. In an act of deliberate sabotage, this individual approached the innocuous water pump nestled at the corner of a home's well-maintained garden. The once quiet surroundings were now disrupted by the ominous sounds of breaking. As the water pump succumbed to their relentless efforts, it became evident that this was act of vandalism, leaving the home's inhabitants to face a sudden and dire crisis in their water supply, with no clues as to the identity of the perpetrator. Another ring camera thief that don't like to be on video. With swift and practiced movements, this individual takes the package and retreated in daylight, leaving behind nothing but the eerie silence of his presence. Slowly and deliberately, the suspicious porch pirate extended its metaphorical gaze, studying the package with an air of scrutiny. It didn't last long when homeowner confront the suspicious creep.
Away from my packages. Back away from the door. You are being recorded. And if you touch my packages, you going to jail. How do you know he just not finished? Because I seen the camera. It told me when he was in front of the door, and I saw him touching it. That's why. Yeah, thank you.
A man was caught stealing a locked bike from a rack using bolt cutters. About 3 o'clock in the afternoon, with swift, practiced movements, the masked suspects produced a set of burglary tools on the back entrance of the house, where they believed their entry would go unnoticed. But as they began their illicit endeavor, fate intervened. Just as they attempted to breach the entryway, the alarm, triggered by their intrusion, resonated with urgency. Without a moment to spare, the suspects abandoned their criminal endeavor. They fled the scene, leaving behind their tools and the shattered remnants of their ill-conceived plan.
Hi. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Dressed inconspicuously, their intruder pressed the doorbell. He waited for a few minutes. He discreetly retreated from the front porch, gaze fixed upon the imposing back fence for an opportunity. With a calculated decision, the intruder navigated to the rear of the property, moving with stealth and purpose. The back fence concealed the potential for a covert entry. The intruder's actions are uncalled for. That is why security cameras provide an effective and easy-to-use solution for monitoring and securing a property, helping to deter potential intruders and providing peace of mind to property owners. The camera lens captured something not normal at night. A haunting and inexplicable sight unfolded before the lens of a camera. The camera's viewfinder revealed an old, weathered swing set, its chains swaying gently in the cold night breeze. However, there was no visible source of movement, no child at play, no one nearby. The camera captured the ghostly play equipment as it rocked back and forth, the chains creaking softly in the silence. The unsettling video, captured in the dead of night, left an eerie and unshakable impression, raising questions about the inexplicable forces that might roam the park after dark.